Hello YouTube, this is the Man02 here. Today is December 19th, and it is around 10:33 a.m. And there's a blizzard here in Manassas. And, oh my god, my mom's van is freaking covered. It's about 1.5 feet of snow. Oh my god, those presents are huge, and they're almost covered. Covered! It's freaking amazing. The lights are covered, the bushes are covered. It's like 1.5 feet of snow. Look at this blizzard. Just look at this. It's amazing. Oh, my blinds. Excuse me, I'm up in my room. A little crazy. Oh, Garland on house across the street. Amazing. So our new neighbors live in that house now. I'm running out of time here. This is the Man02. I might come out with a second part. And comment, subscribe, bye.